I looked at this video one week ago, and then I looked for this book and I found it. I found this book and I have saved, and that was a good thing. Decoding space-time, the mathematics of fate. And I have the link here, this site. Today I looked on this site and I noticed something strange. As I was looking for this book and reading, on this site was this thing, but today not, and I wondered why. So I was going to Google and give the name of the book, Decoding Space-Time, and so I'm here now. And so I was looking for the 211. So if you don't understand, for this site. This site I have saved on my PC. This is on Google Books. So this site I have not saved. And if you look, 211, and here says, "Lion shall lie down with the lamb." So the same as this one. So this era which the lion shall lie with the lamb. The interesting thing is this. It's a completely new page. This one. It's completely new page. New page. 1 week before, what is not? This is the real thing, what I have saved. Here we say these two pages are not visible for this preview, and here to 8 to 10. Here is the same Exodus. I hope you can see it. So they are changing very fast and they will not stop, so it seems. So here they have deleted or changed. They have changed. So, and the interesting thing, what I have saved on the address, it's the name, the word, it's true, and of the other thing, it's false. So why and for how long? At two other dimensions. So guys, it's wow. And here, the crazy thing, why is here true? I don't know. So it seems they cannot all change. If we believe in something, if we know, so it seems they cannot change it. So just, I think it's so. So that was what I wanted to share with you.